everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be, hello Ruby, can you see her ears? Just there. I have a little bit of an unbagging here, but it would be to do with something a little bit different. These are sun protection clothing, and this is a brand from China. The English name is called Beneunder. So the Chinese name is called Jiaoxia. It's the names sort of, the word jiao is meaning banana. So it gives you supposedly like a bit of a sort of imagination that you're under a banana tree, getting away from the hot sun and having like a cooling effect. So that's the idea where the name comes from. So anyway, it's very well packed, as you can see. So these are 2 pairs of sunglasses. Oh my goodness. And one of those sun protection clothing. I'm gonna have to, I'll do this behind the scenes and then I'll be back with you. Okay, here we are. So right, oh yeah, why are the sunglasses so little? Because they have a really cool 4-way folding kind of pattern, so it can be easily stored in your handbag. And I also ordered 2 pair of gloves for when you're driving. You know, all the sun exposure on your skin is not great. So when I went to China, I saw this brand, but I bought things, but I bought for my sister. I didn't actually buy anything for myself. So now that there's the 11/11 sale or the early Black Friday sale, so I thought I'll buy something for myself. 2 pairs of their very interesting sunglasses and 1 of their sun protection wear. And what's cool is you can have the hat. There's a hood part with a bit of a hat section at the front. So these are, and then here's a little hole for your hair if you had a ponytail. And it comes right up to here almost. Still, I would still recommend wearing sunscreen, but clothing like this is really good for gardening. So we'll put quickly on. And this was a color that is on sale. And yeah, it's like SPF 50 or something. Oh my gosh, right? And it's supposed to be SPF 50, and then you zip it up. Like I always also put sunscreen here on the chest, but yeah, so you can be fully protected while gardening. Woo! Okay, so yeah, it's really cool. And it's loose, it's cooling. There's 2 pockets. I think it's sort of like doesn't trap heat, the kind of material that doesn't trap heat. Yeah, I know, it's really one of those things. Okay, let's look at the sunglasses. I'm actually, oh wait, before we do that, let's look at the gloves. I actually didn't want to just buy sunglasses because even when I go out in the sun or whatever, I actually have a very light cardigan on. So sun protection clothing to me, and I have my hat and everything, isn't, you know, and I always wear like high neck clothing, cotton tops anyway. But yeah, this could be good. And the gloves, they have grip sections underneath. So I bought 2 pairs, 1 for each car. Yeah, so you can have, quite often though, I do like that they are higher up the wrist, because quite often, even with my own cardigan, by the time you bend your arms, because I have really long arms, there's always an inch section here that doesn't get covered. So I'm hoping this will work well as sun protection clothing while driving. But to be honest, how I've been dealing with this, with sun protection, my own DIY sun protection clothing, is to have, for example, a cardigan in the car, an older cardigan, and I actually wear it backwards like this. And yeah, we'll put the hat part in front. Okay, let's just say this was a cardigan, right? You didn't see that. And yeah, that's how I generally protect myself when I'm driving. I'm gonna look like one of those typical Asian aunties. You know what I mean. Those of you who are watching, you get it, right? Those Asian aunties that's trying to reclaim our youth. Not really. Well, yes, kind of, yeah. Okay, let's look at the sunglasses. Let's look at the sunglasses. Okay, wow. Okay, so it is able to fold into like a tiny little box. And these, obviously, you've seen some of my sunglass hauls. I've been so into sunglasses lately, like collecting sunglasses again. Look at how small it packs into. And even though these are Asian made, and when I tried them in store, every single pair suited my nose bridge. So I was like, yeah, you know, that's why, because they're all made in Asia. So they all fit low nose bridges or lower nose bridges. So what it is, I bought 2 pairs. So a pink one, and this is not a framed one. I will be buying another pair of framed ones that I saw that I really like. So this one, it's like a cat eye. This is not polarized, although it is coated with their Ray-Turn glare protection technology. You can read all about it on their website, which I'll link below in the description box. And perfect fit. It's really cool. It's that cat eye look. And I think it's because the sunglasses are really straight here. That's why I think they fit Asian faces better. Yeah, I don't have to do any of my hacks. You just buy Asian made sunglasses. What am I doing? I love this. It's pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's spring hinges, which is nice. So you fold in here, here. Oh, it's really light. And then you fold it in, and then you fold it in, and then you have a little, its little thing here. Nice. And it also has, what's really cool is they call it the lotus leaf hydrophobic coating. So it's not as so that means water just runs off it if you happen to be in a rainy situation. Basically, it just means it's sort of a bit more fingerprint proof. But I mean, that's why you have cleaning cloths that comes with it. Oh, nice. I like this. Okay, let's try the other one. Now, this other pair, it's so cool. I just wanted a pair this color. I also wanted a pair that's pink. This one is supposedly, what's the word? Polarized. So let's quickly look at it. Okay. Comes again with a little cover that you can hang on your bag, which is really clever. This one, I guess you can hang like here, like a wrist. I think this is like a wristband, but you can also hang this on the bag. But this makes a better hanging solution. Okay, so this is slightly different. There's a little mesh here to keep your glasses. And it is red. When I saw this color, I'm like, yes. It's like bright red, like a tomato red color. Again, that's that 4-folding technology thing happening. Again, nice and light. A little bit chunkier on the earpieces, and slightly bigger, still slightly cat eye, but a little bit more rounded, like here, sort of thing. Okay, let's put this on. Yeah, so this fits as well. Oh my goodness, I think I might wear this today to go with my red dress today. What do you think? Oh, I love it. Oh wow, new sunglasses. And there's also non-slip sort of silicone bit here, so it doesn't slip. down your face, but I think the lightness helps. Very nice, very cool. What do you guys think? Oh wow, so sunglasses. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh my goodness, this is like so retro, so cat eye. And this one, where's my sun protection clothing? Look, look, look. Yeah, I'm gonna be so stylish. Not, yes, of course I will be stylish middle-aged Asian auntie. That's what I am. Look at that, I'm ready to go to the beach. Yeah, this could be a bit annoying, I think, this, because what it is, right? So let me show you. Do you know, I can wear this to rob the loo. I can wear it to rob the, yeah, the museum. Do you think? Yes? Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah, it's good. Good to cover. It's just that I know people don't understand, but in Australia, because we have an ozone hole, and so this, yeah, it's just very, the UV rays are just so strong, and it's so glary out there. I cannot not wear sunglasses to drive. Wow. Okay. Well, so a very short video today. Thank you all for watching from your resident fashionable middle-aged Asian auntie with her really cool sunglasses, but even cooler sun protection wear. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.